Hi there, I'm Carolyn, Trichologist here at Absolique. We've got some men's hair growth treatment results for you today, but we also have a new hair loss treatment. We call it the Silver Kit. So the results we share here are from a trial that we ran. The kit, it's different to anything I've used in the past. It's based off the PRP, platelet-rich plasma, which has become very popular as a hair growth treatment. But what they've done is they've taken the science into the laboratory and they've been able to make it so it's not from your own blood. So PRP, they would take your blood, they enrich it to enhance the plasma and the growth factor, and they inject it back in, which is great. But for some people, they can't give blood, and they said it was very painful, and it was also super expensive. So I did see great results. I've talked about PRP in the past, but I was looking for the science behind it. How else could we do it without having to go through a medical procedure and the expensive pricing? So we've got the Silver Kit. It compiles of three parts. We've got Phials, Ampoules and Spray, and you would do one of each once a day. And with this particular one, I saw results as soon as 8 weeks, which is really, really quick. Normally our time frame for us to see results at a scalp level from cellular changes is 4 months. So to see hair growth coming through in as quick as 8 weeks is pretty astounding. So my model, we did photos at the beginning, we did halfway, which is 1 month in, and then at our 8 week time frame. So I'll put these photos up on the blog for you as well. It's something that I do need correct diagnosis. I don't just say, here, go and use the treatment. I find it really does help with pattern thinning. So I've used it for male pattern thinning now and female pattern thinning, but I've also used it for the hair cycle. Okay, so when we've got the hair cycle breakdown, hair loss or diffuse hair thinning, I've used it successfully for that as well. You do need to use, in most cases, we would still use our scalp brush therapy, so we need a scalp diagnosis to know it's suitable. We also need to still prepare the scalp, so we would use our scalp cleanser, okay, or a scalp soap, depending again on the scalp condition, which we check with our microscope. And you also still need to use your microneedle. Okay, so we would use the microneedle only on certain components. So we give you very specific instructions and directions of how to use it, but we are getting some amazing results. So if you are doing treatment with us, you can reach out and ask how this would fit into your current program. If you're a new client coming to see me and I feel it's suitable for you, then I would recommend that. Price-wise, one PRP session is around $600. You need at least 4 to see any changes. This kit is $575, so I think for a price point and a pain point, it's pretty good. So as always, if you have questions, you need to email me. It's info@absolique.com.au.